Hello everyone, good afternoon, Dr. Nimi here. I just wanted to get on today to talk about what is the noise that we hear when we get adjusted. So this is something that people ask often in the office, so why not share with everyone? So first off, to clear the air, there's no bones breaking at any time. It takes a ton of force to break any bone over like 2,000 pounds, I think. So I'm pretty strong, but there's no way that that's ever going to happen. So now that that is cleared up, there's joints between our bones. So right in the back, these are called zygapophyseal joints, really fancy word. And then we also have the joint with the disc above and below the bone, the disc, the bone. So when we find those subluxations that we talked about and the bone is stuck, we have to move it back into place. And the only way that we can get it back into place is by shifting those joints. And when that happens, there is a little bit of like nitrogen gas inside of these joints, tiny bit, not harmful. It's meant to be there. But when we move the bone, that nitrogen gas releases, and that's actually the noise of the adjustment itself. So that is a quick little education on what's going on and why we hear a noise when we have an adjustment. All right, have a great day. Bye.